Hello all. So in this video, we will see how we can enable dynamic links for BIA and BIP reports without hard coding pod URLs. Okay. So earlier, in the earlier video, we have seen how to get the pod link using Groovy. And then we have created dynamic links using that Groovy function. So in this session, in this video, like we will see in the same way how to enable this, how to create links with pod URL dynamically. So and how we can use it in the reports results. So the main use of this session, this way is it will avoid the migration issues. So if we are migrating this BIA or BIP reports from one environment to another environment, when we run the reports, if we click on some deep links or report links, so it will navigate to the previous the lower environment or other environment wherever we develop. But with this solution, we can avoid that hard coding and no issues when migrating. So it's a very easy and no issues in all time. So that is the use. And now we'll switch to the reports. Okay, and first we will see how we can enable the dynamic links for BIA reports. So for that, I'm taking one simple opportunity details report. So where I'm setting this dynamic link. Okay. So this is our report. So here we need to when we are clicking on opportunity name, it should navigate to the respective opportunity, right? So for that, first we will get this link for opportunity. So here we have listed the opportunity links and for other objects. The same we can get from the document listed here, and we'll go to criteria and then go to the opportunity and column properties and then interaction, and then click select action and links and click here to create a new link. And we need to add the copied link here, and then we need to okay, the link text is like I'll say detail record. And here again, I'm clicking action, and this is a web page. So I'm pasting my link here, and then I'll say, so here in place of OSC URL, so I just need to remove this, and here I need to pass dynamically, right? So for that, just remove this and remove one more slash, and then put 2 dots. So this 2 dots will automatically take the current environment URL, and it opens the respective environment. And here I need to pass the value dynamically. So for that, I'll say I'll just use define parameters, and I'll say the parameter name is 1, so that value is value I will be selecting from the column value. So in place of prompt, just give the parameter name. So that parameter name is TF skip to edit of the ID. So this is the parameter name, and then we'll select the column. Then select the opportunity ID, and you can disable this parameter. So, and open in new tab. Save, and then run the report. So now it is enabled. So it will ask detailed record. So we can even remove this particular link. Okay, it's not working. So we'll just try. Okay, one small correction here. In the link, we need to we have used just square flower brackets, but before that we just need to put we need to use at symbol. So then we need to save and then click OK. Now we'll see the results, and we'll save. And once we click on this opportunity, it should navigate to the opportunity, and then it should show the respective opportunity. So this is how we can enable dynamically links for any environment. And if you notice, we haven't passed this particular environment URL. We just used 2 dots. So with that, it worked. So this is about BIA reports. So similarly, if you want to create dynamic links for data model reports using SQL. So how we can do is, so first we need to create a data model. So I have already one SQL, a sample one. So I'll just show you. So here I just took a simple query where it will give the party ID and part account name. So now here I'm using, so let me go to the block. So here I have given the sample query as well, and the table name and the column, this ASK underscore deployed underscore domains will give the table, will give the pod information. So we can just use this particular table and this particular column to get the environment URL. And here I have used the same query. So I have used that query, and once we get that sample data, click view to see the sample data, and this is how you will see the data with the links. Okay, and now we need to save this data and then create a report. So for creating a report, we can just use the create report button. And here we have 2 types of report. In 2 ways we can create. One is through a guided the report builder, right? So which is here. And another way is creating the report using RTF templates. So first we'll go with this way, data report creation using data in this guided way. Click next, and then again click next. So in this particular example, we are taking the simple table report, okay, and then account name. So only these 2 columns I'm taking. So where I want to get the link on account name. So if I click on account name, I should go to the respective account. So totals row column is not needed, and then click next, and then okay, click customize report layout, and then finish. Give the report name. Now it will take you to the edit layout page, report edit layout page, and this is the layout edit view. So here we have here we have so many properties, like we can add, like suppose if we want to change this particular data format, just click on the values, right? And then here data formatting is there, so you can just use number, and then uh, remove zeros using this button. And if you want to remove comma, just click on grouping separator, and it is in the number format. Now we need to enable the link, right, on account name. So just click on this table and then click on the account values section. So now under data source, we can see the data model and the group, right, and the fields listed here. And this is the data source. If we expand components, we can see different charts, like how to like different charts in which we can insert. So all that we can use here using components. And then we have properties. So in the properties, we can if we click on this particular account name values, we can see some properties related to this account values. If we click on table, so we will see the properties related to tables. So now I want the properties for this account name values. So I just clicked on that section, and on the left corner, we can see under miscellaneous. So we can see one parameter called URL. So here we can use the field. Here we can put the static or dynamic variable. So if we just use www.google.com, so whenever you click on the account name, it will navigate to this particular URL. But in sometimes we need dynamic variable, dynamic links, right? So in the same case, if I click on account name, it should navigate to the respective account name. So for that, so we have already the link is available at a data model level, because if we expand node data source, we are already calculating the account URL, right, using the table and column. And so we just need to insert this particular column to here. So how we can do that? So there is a simple format. So the format is just use just use a flower bracket and then the path for that field. So this is how we can this is the way how we can use. So here in our case also we can use flower bracket open close, and then we have slash. The data source is data ds and then z1 and then account URL. Data underscore ds slash Z1 slash column name account underscore URL. So this is the format. So if we use like this, so it will take that URL for this particular record, and it will enable the link. And if you have if you want to make it something colorful for links, we can just use the link. Suppose this blue link, okay, not the background color. Here font color we can use the blue. Okay, and then we can observe it is like a link. Now save this particular changes, and then click done. Now, if you see, if you run the report, we can see a link on this. So you can use right click and then open new link in the web page. Okay, it will open account, the respective account. So this is using a normal like report editor. So in a similar way, we can use for RTF templates also. So for that, we need first XML data, sample XML data. So just click a view and export sample data. Okay, and then go to the OD and install BIA publisher, and then put sample XML and upload the downloaded sample data. Now here just simply create a table. So I just want account name and party ID, and that's it. So I created a simple table. So here, if you double click, we can get properties, and in the advanced properties, we can write a simple formula. The formula is here. So this is the sample formula. Just copy this, and if any changes, just make it. So here, if you see, the account URL is the field is from the data model, and here we are just writing one if condition. If this is not null or not, if this has some value, then insert that URL here, and we have a color also, like we can modify. Then just copy this and paste it in the advanced formulas. Okay, and run a view. So I'll just click on RTF. Now, if you see, if you hover on this particular one, the link is enabled, and if you just click Control and then click on this link, it will open in a browser. So similarly, the same will work for other views as well, for Excel and for PDF. If we generate the respective output, so the links will be enabled. So this is how we can enable links for RTF templates also. And I'll be placing this link in the video description. So you can refer. Thank you.